going on, YouTube? Another video. It's been a minute. Haven't been having much to do. It's hard to find really a lot of content when you just at home most of the time, right? I have been doing a lot of things around the house. I posted a few vids of things I did. They didn't really get too many views, so I just started doing the stuff without recording it. It's no big deal. Any questions on any of those DIY videos for the home, people can always ask and let me know different things. I can tell them as much as I can on what I have done, because I pretty much replaced a lot of things at home, just like everybody else. You know, Lowe's, Home Depot, them stores banging right now. Like, I ain't never seen them this crowded. The whole parking lot be crowded, 10 in the morning, and then you go back again at 5 in the afternoon, the whole parking lot still crowded. So money just shifted, man. Money ain't stopped flowing, it just shifted, because Lowe's and Home Depot, they sure getting it. Everybody at home doing projects. But in any case, what can we do, right? Back to work soon. I'm not excited about it, but time to get back to the money. But in any case, doing this video on my car. Another package came today. I'm waiting on another package actually for my truck also. You can grab the package. I'm waiting on my truck. I am replacing, which will probably be the next video, I'm replacing my AC line and my orifice tube. So I'm gonna show you guys to do that, and I'm gonna recharge the system back up. Pretty much my AC line has a crack in it. It's been leaking slowly. I was supposed to replace it last summer. I noticed I was just having an issue. I had to keep adding a can every 2 or 3 weeks. So to eliminate that problem, I thought I was gonna sell my truck, but I decided to keep it. So to eliminate that problem, I said I'm just gonna go ahead and fix it, because I'm here in Dallas, Texas, and in Dallas, Texas, you got to have AC in your vehicle. It's a must, believe me. In any case, I'm gonna flip the camera and show you guys what I got for my car and begin to install. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, comment to all of my videos. I do comment back in a minute. All right, don't forget, people, if y'all out in Dallas, Texas, or wherever I be at, I'll be going to Detroit. I do drive my car around. YouTube Big Boy Les, you see that sign? Give me a hump. Let me know that you feeling the channel and you subscribe. You never know, one day, if I can't pull up on you and you subscribe to my channel, you might get something if you let me know. In any case, as y'all know, I replaced this. This shit turned out beautifully. And I replaced those reflector lights. They look real good. It's a nice amount of work. Check back them old YouTube videos for that. And I didn't replace my side markers, just smoked those out. And I also did one more thing, as I showed in the video. I replaced my front, smoked that out. All of those came out really, really, really well. So it's only one thing left, right? Well, it's a couple things left. But in this video today, I am going to do, oh yeah, that's my truck. Y'all can see I got some more rims for it. But what I'm gonna do, it's time to replace this high stop mount brake light. I thought I can maybe tint it, but I didn't like how it was coming out. So I just said I'm just gonna go ahead and replace it with the new part. Part came from Amazon today. You open the box, see what it looks like. And this is what it looks like. Nice and smoked out tin. It kind of matches the reflectors real good. But this is what's going to be going on the vehicle today. So I can have my high stop mount light, which I ordered off of Amazon. Wasn't that cheap. I mean, it probably was about 40 bucks or $45 with taxes. That's why I'd rather tint it, because it was cheaper, but I didn't like how the tint was coming out. And so we're going to check out and see how this looks. I'm about to go ahead and get started on the video in a minute. Just like that, I'm back. Now, from my understanding, from videos I have seen, and this isn't a bolted on piece. So I have this, which is a little pry tool for doors and stuff like that, for stereo installation people, or people want to take off their door panels and things like that. So I'm gonna try to see. From my understanding, you just need to pry down on this. It's glued on pretty much. And you want to use something plastic so that you do not mess up your paint. So I'm just going to, let me make sure I get this in the video. I'm just going to go around with this part. Look at that big ass bee. Y'all see that? Man, look, it's huge. He don't bother me, I'm gonna bother him. As you can see, it's coming out. Hope y'all can see that. I pretty much got this one side out. There we go. That's all I had to do. No big deal, right? Took about every bit of about 2 minutes. Then you got this little push tab. Now that's gonna be kind of hard to do holding this phone, but pretty much you got this push tab. Let me see if I can get it. Okay. Well, I was able to get it. Part fell right out. As you can see, this is the old part. You see, took every bit of less than a minute, maximum 2 minutes to get this one out. That's all it is. Now, you have to clean this glue around here. Clean it up real good. Get the other one, push it in there. These silver tabs help hold it in place too. Kind of give it like a snap feature. It's a real simple process. So nobody should be stuck on it too long. All right, I'm gonna get the scraper because it's really gonna be hard to do that and hold the camera. So I'm gonna get the scraper. Here's a view of both of them, side by side. I'm gonna get the scraper and scrape around all that glue, as much of it also off as I can. I'm not sure if I need to get any more glue. Oh no, it got glue on it. See the red? All I gotta do is peel this off and push it on there and stick it on there. Snap it in place. So snap the electrical connector in for the lights, the high stop mount light, that's what this is. Peel this red tape off and stick it on. It's that simple, guys. The whole process takes maybe 5 minutes. Should take no longer than 5 minutes to do this. But I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning it up because I can't hold the camera and record that. And then I'm gonna get back and show you the installation and what it looks like in a minute. I just wanted to do a quick intermission. I almost forgot to help, because that can be a tedious process. That sticky stuff is so sticky on there. You want to get it off as best as you can, because the better you get it off, the better your results will be, of course. You can use a screwdriver or a scraper tool or a plastic scraper, anything to get it off. Now, what I use to get decal off of my vehicle, this car came with, you know, hashes on it and stuff like that, all the stuff it came from on the dealership that they added to it. But I didn't like it, so I took it off. Only thing I pretty much left was this black on here, that right there, because I actually like the black. And what I got it off with was this turtle wax label sticker remover. Now, I tried several different ones. I hope you can see that. I know the sun is shining. Label and sticker remover, turtle wax. I tried several things. I tried Goop Be Gone, all types of stuff, man. Nothing worked as good as this shit did. Like, I sprayed this on there, and I used my old ID. So I went scrape up the paint, used my old ID, and it was just peeling it right off like it was butter. I'm talking about this is some amazing stuff. So I'm gonna use this to get that sticker off. Just wanted to show a quick video of this and what I use to get the label sticker off, because this stuff works amazing. In a minute. All right, YouTube. So as you can see, I cleaned that stuff off, and I mean, like I said, this stuff is pretty amazing. It pretty much cleaned it all off. Let me get a little towel for that little residue. That's why I like that turtle wax. I mean, it cleaned it down pretty much to the bare metal. And if I'd have took a little bit more time off, I could have got a lot more of this residue off, but I'm kind of in a hurry. And this is just the residue part of it. It's not necessarily the sticker stuff, but as you can see, I'm just wiping it now, and stuff is coming right off. I'm telling you, you want to get it off really good, or anything that's stuck to the vehicle. Turtle wax, that turtle wax stuff is the best I've used, and I've tried many different things. Nothing worked as good as the turtle wax. In any case, that cleaned it really well. You can see I already removed the red liner off. I plugged it back in. Make sure you do that before you put it on there. And now make sure it's upright. See how the curve, make sure the curves are aligned. And I'm just going to push it on in there. And once it's going to take me 2 hands to push it in there. And once I push it in there, it should snap right in place. So I'm going to try to push it in there right quick. Show you a last look at how it look in a minute. All right, this is the end of the video. After I pushed it on there, I just kind of used the palm of my hand to push it to make sure it seals good. I'm gonna give it probably a day or 2 to dry, maybe 1 day to dry before I actually take it to the car wash. But that's how it looked, guys. Came out great. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.